Do you ever feel awkward starting a conversation in English? Hey friends, welcome back to English Speaking Pro. I'm Trump. Today's episode is all about the art of small talk. These are the short, friendly phrases that help you start a conversation with anyone, anywhere, at work, in a shop, or at the gym. I will teach you 100 incredibly useful small talk starters for your everyday life. You will learn what small talk is, why it's a big deal, and how to use it naturally in real conversations. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly. Key ideas are repeated so you can easily understand and follow along. We will go step by step, with each phrase explained with a short, clear explanation and a real-life example. You will also have a chance to repeat after me and practice. Let's get started. Let's begin with a simple question. What is small talk? Small talk is a light, informal type of conversation. It's not deep or serious, it's the simple, friendly chat we use every day. You probably hear small talk all around you. In the morning, someone might say, "Lovely weather today," or "How was your weekend?" We use small talk in many places. At work or school, in the supermarket or at the gym, when we meet a neighbor, while standing in line, even when sitting next to someone on a bus or train. It's a part of daily life that breaks the silence and creates a friendly atmosphere. It shows interest in the other person in a simple way. We don't discuss heavy topics like politics or personal problems. Instead, we talk about the weather, weekends, traffic, coffee, everyday things. You don't need perfect grammar or long, complex sentences for small talk. You just need a few natural phrases. And today, you will learn 100 simple, useful phrases to begin a friendly conversation. Okay, let's begin with one of the most common small talk topics, the weather. It's easy and everyone has something to say about it. I will now teach you 10 natural small talk starters about the weather. After each one, I will explain what it means and when to use it. Then I will give you time to repeat the sentence. Let's begin. Lovely day, isn't it? We use this when the weather is nice, sunny, warm, and pleasant. You can say it to a neighbor, a coworker, or someone walking past you in the park. Now you repeat. Lovely day, isn't it? It's really cold today. This means the weather is cold, maybe in winter or early morning. You can use this at the bus stop, in the office, or even in a shop. Now you repeat. It's really cold today. Looks like it might rain. We use this when the sky is cloudy and you think rain is coming. You can say it while waiting outside or talking under a roof. Now you repeat. Looks like it might rain. Can you believe this heat? This means it's very hot, maybe uncomfortably so. We use this to show surprise or just start a friendly and light chat on a hot day. Now you repeat. Can you believe this heat? It's been raining all week. This means it has rained for many days. You can say this when talking about the weather over a few days, maybe at work or in an elevator. Now you repeat. It's been raining all week. Such strange weather lately. We use this when the weather keeps changing, maybe sun one day, snow the next. It's a friendly way to talk about something we all notice. Now you repeat. Such strange weather lately. Finally, some sunshine. This means it's sunny again after many cloudy or rainy days. You can say this in a cheerful way to show your good feelings. Now you repeat. Finally, some sunshine. It's freezing out there. This means it's very, very cold. We use this when coming inside from the cold weather. Now you repeat. It's freezing out there. Feels like spring is coming. We use this when the weather starts to feel warmer after winter. It's a hopeful, positive sentence to start a nice chat. Now you repeat. Feels like spring is coming. I didn't expect it to snow today. This means the snow was a surprise, not in the forecast. You can use this when starting a conversation on a snowy day. Now you repeat. I didn't expect it to snow today. Okay. Now let's look at small talk you can use at work. This could be in an office, a shop, or any place you work, including online meetings. Small talk at work helps build good relationships, shows you are friendly and open, and can make the workplace more comfortable. Now, let's go through 10 useful small talk starters for coworkers. Busy day? We use this to start a short, friendly conversation. It means, are you having a lot to do today? You can say this when you pass someone in the hallway or at the coffee machine. Now you repeat. Busy day? How's your project going? This shows interest in what the other person is working on. It's a great way to connect on a professional level. Now you repeat. How's your project going? Did you catch the meeting this morning? Use this to talk about a meeting that happened earlier in the day. It's useful for checking if someone was there. Now you repeat. Did you catch the meeting this morning? I could use another coffee. A friendly way to say you're tired or need more energy. It often gets a laugh or a nod of agreement. Now you repeat. I could use another coffee. Almost the weekend, huh? Use this near the end of the work week, maybe on a Thursday or Friday, to connect with people excited for a break. Now you repeat. Almost the weekend, huh? Long day today. This expresses that the workday feels difficult or tiring without sounding too negative. Now you repeat. Long day today. The office is quiet today. Use this when fewer people are around or things feel calm. It's a simple observation to start a chat. Now you repeat. The office is quiet today. Got any plans after work? A friendly question to ask what someone is doing later. Now you repeat. Got any plans after work? That was a long meeting. Use this right after a meeting that took a lot of time. It's a shared experience that's easy to comment on. Now you repeat. That was a long meeting. Nice to see you in person. Perfect for when you meet someone face-to-face after working online. It's warm and professional. Now you repeat. Nice to see you in person. Great job! Now let's talk about small talk in public places. This includes cafes, buses, trains, waiting rooms, and shops. You don't need a deep conversation. Just a few friendly words can create a warm atmosphere. Here are 10 starters for public situations. Is this seat taken? Use this polite and simple question before sitting next to someone. Now you repeat. Is this seat taken? The line is moving slowly, huh? You can say this in a queue, at a shop, airport, or anywhere people are waiting. It's a shared experience. Now you repeat. The line is moving slowly, huh? Busy place today. An easy comment when a place like a cafe or shopping mall is full of people. Now you repeat. Busy place today. I come here a lot. Say this when you visit a place often, like a local coffee shop. It invites the other person to respond. Now you repeat. I come here a lot. Great coffee here. This shares a friendly opinion and works well at cafes. Now you repeat. Great coffee here. Do you know what time it closes? A useful and polite question in shops, museums, or libraries. Now you repeat. Do you know what time it closes? Long wait today. Use this when things are slow, like at a doctor's office. It expresses a shared feeling. Now you repeat. Long wait today. It's my first time here. Great for when you're visiting a new restaurant, gym, or park. It lets the other person respond or give advice. Now you repeat, it's my first time here. Nice place, isn't it? A positive comment when you are in a clean, comfortable, or interesting location. Now you repeat, nice place, isn't it? Do you come here often? A classic small talk question that works well in cafes, gyms, or parks to start a light conversation. Now you repeat, do you come here often? Okay, now let's look at small talk with neighbors. You may not know them well, but it's nice to be friendly. Small talk with neighbors is often short and polite. Here are 10 starters. How is everything with you? A friendly, casual way to say how are you when you pass a neighbor outside. Now you repeat, how is everything with you? Your garden looks great. A nice compliment about their garden or balcony. Now you repeat, your garden looks great. Lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Use this when you see a neighbor outside walking. It's friendly and light. Now you repeat, lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Did you just move in? A welcoming question for someone new in the neighborhood. Now you repeat, did you just move in? Let me know if you ever need anything. A kind way to offer help or support, especially to new neighbors. Now you repeat, let me know if you ever need anything. I think we have the same delivery driver. A funny and relatable comment if you notice similar deliveries. Now you repeat, I think we have the same delivery driver. Do you know when the bins go out? A practical question that's also a good conversation starter, especially if you're new to the area. Now you repeat, do you know when the bins go out? Your cat is so cute. Most people love hearing something nice about their pets. Now you repeat, your cat is so cute. Feels like the whole street is quiet today. Use this when the neighborhood seems peaceful. Now you repeat, feels like the whole street is quiet today. Good to see you again. Warm and polite for a neighbor you've seen before but don't know well. Now you repeat, good to see you again. Now let's look at small talk during social events like parties, dinners, or work gatherings. Small talk helps you meet new people. Here are 10 starters. Hi, I'm Trump. What's your name? Simple and direct. Perfect for meeting someone new. Of course, use your name. Now you repeat, hi, I'm your name. What's your name? How do you know the host? Use this at a party to find out the connection. It's polite and shows interest. Now you repeat, how do you know the host? Have you been here before? This works for any event or venue to start a conversation with someone nearby. Now you repeat, have you been here before? I love your outfit. A compliment on someone's dress or style creates a positive feeling. Now you repeat, I love your outfit. The food is amazing, isn't it? A safe topic as everyone notices the food. Now you repeat, the food is amazing, isn't it? Is it always this busy here? Use this when a place is crowded. Now you repeat, is it always this busy here? I think we've met before. You can use this if someone looks familiar, even if you're not sure. Now you repeat, I think we've met before. Where are you from? A friendly question to learn more about someone's background. Now you repeat, where are you from? What do you do? A common way to ask about someone's job. It's short and polite. Now you repeat, what do you do? Great to meet you. Use this at the end of a short conversation to be respectful and friendly. Now you repeat, great to meet you. Now, small talk in everyday places like shops and cafes. A short sentence can make the interaction feel more friendly. Here are 10 starters. Busy today, isn't it? A friendly comment when a shop or cafe is full. Now you repeat, busy today, isn't it? I love the coffee here. Share your enjoyment of the coffee at that place. Now you repeat, I love the coffee here. Have you tried the cake here? A light question in cafes or bakeries that asks for an opinion. Now you repeat, have you tried the cake here? They've changed the menu. A great starter with regular customers or staff when something is different. Now you repeat, they've changed the menu. Do you take card? A useful and polite question before paying. Now you repeat, do you take card? The smell in here is amazing. Use this when something smells fresh like coffee or bread. It shows appreciation. Now you repeat, the smell in here is amazing. Any recommendations? A great way to talk with staff or another customer when you want help choosing. Now you repeat, any recommendations? I always get the same thing. This shows you're a regular customer. Now you repeat, I always get the same thing. It's my first time here. Use this when you visit a new cafe or shop. Now you repeat, it's my first time here. Have a great day. Say this as you leave. It's polite and positive. Now you repeat, have a great day. Next, small talk during travel and transport. A friendly sentence can make the time on a train, bus, or plane more comfortable. Here are 10 starters. Is this seat free? A polite way to ask before sitting down. Now you repeat, is this seat free? Do you know when we arrive? A helpful question to start a quick chat with another passenger. Now you repeat, do you know when we arrive? Is this the right platform for the train to London? Comment at train stations to double-check your direction. Now you repeat, is this the right platform for the train to London? Long journey ahead. This means the trip will take time. Now you repeat, long journey ahead. Do you travel often? A casual question to learn more about the other person. Now you repeat, do you travel often? I always forget something when I travel. A funny human comment that many people can relate to. Now you repeat, I always forget something when I travel. Have you flown with this airline before? Works well while waiting at the gate or on the plane. Now you repeat, have you flown with this airline before? I hope there are no delays. A common travel comment to share the moments with someone else. Now you repeat, I hope there are no delays. Is this your stop too? A casual question on buses or trains. Now you repeat, is this your stop too? Safe travels. A friendly, warm, and respectful thing to say when someone is leaving. Now you repeat, safe travels. Okay, talking about the weekend is one of the easiest small talk topics. Everyone has something to say. Here are 10 starters about the weekend. Got any plans for the weekend? Use this before the weekend, on a Thursday or Friday. Now you repeat, got any plans for the weekend? How was your weekend? Perfect for Monday morning to reconnect with coworkers or friends. Now you repeat, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Use this to know more after asking about their weekend. Now you repeat, did you do anything fun? I just relaxed at home. Use this to describe a quiet weekend. Now you repeat, I just relaxed at home. It went by so fast. Use this to say the weekend felt short. Now you repeat, it went by so fast. I didn't do much really. Say this when the weekend was quiet or uneventful, to keep the conversation simple. Now you repeat, I didn't do much really. I caught up on sleep. Many people can relate to resting a lot during the weekend. Now you repeat, I caught up on sleep. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. You learned about 100 small talk starters. These short phrases can help you start conversations, sound more natural, and feel more confidence in English. This is English Speaking Pro, and I'm Trump. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most of all, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.